What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you could find Amazon products using keyword tools like Cerebro and Helium10 or any other keyword tool out there. For this video, we'll be using Cerebro, so if you don't have it, I have a discount code down below, or you could just follow along and watch what I do to try to find products. Product research is the hardest part of Amazon FBA, so that's why I try to focus on that to help you out. So before we get into the actual video, if you could like this video, comment down below, hit the bell icon so you can stay updated with new videos every week. It really does help out with the YouTube algorithm so people see my content, so I really appreciate it. And I appreciate it so much I do a giveaway at the end of every month where I give away my Amazon course or a $100 prize. And all you have to do is like the video and comment down below, and I pick a random winner from the comment section and I announce the winner at the end of every month. But enough of this boring talk, let's get into my computer right now and show you how I try to find products using keyword tools like Cerebro. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're inside of Helium10. If you've watched my other videos, I usually use black box for product research, but in this video we're going to be using Cerebro. We're going to think outside of the box, literally. Basically, we're going to use this keyword tool, which I usually use to see what my competitors are ranking for. I find keywords so I could put them in my listing and run PPC on them, but in today's video we're going to use it to find a product, and I'll show you what I mean right now. So all you have to do is find a random product. You could type in anything on Amazon. I typed in home and kitchen and I found this mason jar light thing that hangs on a wall. So I'm going to copy and paste this ASIN, which is up in the URL. It starts with a B or a different letter. I'm going to copy that and then I'm going to plug it into Cerebro right here. And you could do up to 10 different products and then hit get keywords, but I'm just doing one for this video. But I hit get keywords and then I come down here and the only thing I enter is the organic rank. Now we are going to try to find keywords that are not related to this product. So we want to have an organic rank that's really high, meaning they're not on page 1 or 2. They're way back on page 10 because it's probably an irrelevant keyword. So I typed in 200 right here for the minimum, and then I hit apply, and now we're going to see all of these different keywords that are probably not related to the product, and if they are, this product is not ranking for those keywords. So you'll see what I mean right here. So like kitchen pictures, wall decor, that has nothing to do with that product. Hanging plants for bedroom decor, that has nothing to do with that other product. Even like mermaid wall decor, that doesn't have to do with that other product. I know I keep saying the same thing over and over, but we're going to look at these keywords and see if there's anything that stands out, and then we're going to check on Amazon and check their numbers using X-ray. So I'm going to try to find a product by the keyword right here. Okay, so right here I found coffee cup holder wall mounted. It has nothing to do with that product, but let's pull it up on Amazon and see what they are doing. So we're going to pull it up right here. We can see it's a little thing for coffee mugs. I don't really like selling furniture this big because the storage fees are going to be very high, as well as shipping from China. But let's run the numbers and see how much revenue these sellers are doing. They have pretty low reviews on page 1, so I'm going to pull up X-ray and run the numbers right here. So we could see they're not doing too bad. This one with only 16 reviews is doing around $5,200 a month in revenue. 53 reviews, they're doing around 4,900. 67 reviews, they're doing around 23,000. But if I wanted to launch this product, I would have to look at a lot more, like figure out the profit margin, what type of design I would do, how much it costs from the manufacturer and Alibaba. But the main purpose of the video is to show you how you could find products that you would have never thought of, looking at random keywords from a product that isn't even related to this product. I know it's very confusing, but you get the point. You're going to scroll through here, look for random keywords, and try to find a good product. You're thinking outside of the box. You're using a different method that many other sellers don't use, and you might get lucky and find that winning product doing this method. So I'm going to try to find a better example of a good product by the keyword. Okay, so I found another thing right here, sunflower cup. So I'm going to click on it. Again, I didn't rehearse this, so I don't know what these products are. It's basically like a tumbler with a sunflower on it. Pretty low reviews. So let's actually check the numbers using X-ray. Again, we're just doing the same thing back and forth over and over until we find a good product. But they're actually doing pretty well. This one has 12 reviews. They're doing $4,500 a month. 25 reviews. They're doing $5,100. 15 reviews, $3,000. So this is another example of a product based on a keyword that I would have never thought of. And you might have luck selling this product. But again, I'm just doing this on the fly. I'm not spending a lot of time. Product research can take days to weeks to months, so the chances of me finding a winning product in 5 minutes, it's pretty slim. But that one wasn't bad. I'm actually surprised that it's not that competitive, but the whole category of tumbler or water bottle will be competitive, so you have to look at the whole market. But let's see if we could find like 1 or 2 more just to get a good idea of how this works. So like wall letters decor for bedroom, 2,200 monthly searches. It doesn't have anything to do with that product that we found on Amazon, but I'm going to click on it and see what it brings up. So it's just a letter that you could put in your bedroom. Let's actually go here, run the numbers. And some of the sellers are doing pretty well, but it looks like it's pretty competitive. Whenever there's sellers that have over 1,000 reviews, it's going to be a little harder to compete. So I look at the sellers with low reviews and see how well they are doing. So like this one's doing pretty well. This one's doing pretty good. But that is another example of a random keyword that doesn't have to do anything with this product that we searched. And that is basically it. I know it's a short video. We're not going to do this over and over until we find the winning product. It could take days to weeks to actually find a good product, but go ahead and try out this method. See if you can find a good product doing this. The good thing is a lot of people aren't doing this technique, so the chances are you might find a product that others aren't finding. If you use Black Box, you run the risk of finding the same exact products that other sellers are finding, so this might help you out. But go ahead, try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you ever need help with your own product research, I do a product validation service where I do a full report on the products that you find. I type out a 3 to 4 page report. I give you all of the good, the bad, and any ideas that I have to help improve that product so you don't lose a ton of money launching a bad product. I also have a ton of other services down below you probably already know, but that is it for this video. I'm running out of breath, so I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.